recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail or restore deleted mail. In order to recover permanently deleted emails on the Gmail app, it is actually quite very simple. Now right here, let's say you went ahead and then deleted certain mails by just long pressing on it, just like this. So let me just go ahead and select those mails like this. And once I've done that, maybe I tap the trash icon and then they got deleted. Now keep in mind that these are not permanently deleted. If I want, I can restore them by tapping on the three lines icon from the top left of the screen. Now I can restore within 30 days of deletion. So I can scroll down and go to the option called trash. In trash, the emails will be there for more than 30 days after it's getting deleted. Then only after 30 days it will be successfully deleted permanently. Now if in your case it's already been more than 30 days, then unfortunately it cannot be restored. But if it's not been 30 days, then you can simply select that and tap the three dots option, and you can tap on move to, and it will move to your primary inbox, and then you have restored that email back to your main feed. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.